Hi guys, so just a quick video to answer a really simple question. Can you use PayPal to pay for Facebook ads? You absolutely can, and I just wanted to show you really quickly where that can be done. So once you're in your Ads Manager, if you navigate over to your billing, which is under settings over here, you'll then see the button in the top right hand corner to click on payment settings, and within here you will have the option to add a payment method. Under this add a payment method, you will see PayPal. So if we select PayPal and click on continue, it will take us over to a PayPal screen to enter our account details. And then from there, all we need to do is follow the prompts and it will set up PayPal. You'll then have the option to make it primary. Once you have more than one payment method on here, you'll see a button to make primary and you can remove old ones, etc. So there you go. Yes, you can, and that is how it's done.